What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Cadillac XT4 smart key remote fob. This Cadillac XT4 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab our key fob, and I'm going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, there's this space right here that you can see the end of the screwdriver in, that little notch. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and stick it in that notch. Make sure it's all the way pushed in like that. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it pops that back cover up. Pull the back cover off, and then we see our battery right here. And I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'm going to take my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down like that. Snap it into that holder. Then we'll snap the back cover on. Make sure that's all the way on. Slide our emergency key in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.